Nothing beats the delicious taste of homemade bread, and with the Tower digital bread maker you get perfect results every time. All the mixing, proving and baking takes place in this easy to control unit, and all without the preservatives that you'd normally find in store-bought loaves. There's something for everyone. With 17 automatic programs, including a gluten-free option, simply add your ingredients, select a program, and let the machine do all the hard work for you. All the programs are accessible from touch controls and the LCD display. Every detail is catered for with the Tower digital bread maker. You can bake loaves in 3 different sizes. There's 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1 kilogram. And if you're fussy about your crusts, that's no problem. With the adjustable crust control, you can choose light, medium, or dark. The automatic dispenser built into the bread maker adds fruits, nuts, and dry ingredients at just the right time in the cooking process. So have fun experimenting with wholemeal, seeded, granary, buns, rolls, and much more. Also included is a measuring cup and spoon helping you to accurately measure and pour your ingredients directly into the tin. And the useful glass window provides a great view of your loaf baking to perfection. There's a 15-hour delay function so you can time your loaf to be ready exactly when you want it to be. But just in case you can't get to your loaf straight away, the 60-minute keep warm function will keep your loaf nice and warm for that little while longer. Tower has over 100 years experience of quality and design, and that's why this bread maker has the fantastic 3-year guarantee. So if you want to make your own delicious homemade bread, the Tower gluten-free digital bread maker is for you.
A great loaf has a crisp crust, is evenly and well risen, has a nice domed top, an open texture, and has doubled in size. Baking the loaf on too low a setting results in a pale, open texture. Too high a setting will mean the crust is too tough. Adding too much yeast means that the loaf rises too early and then sinks. Adding too little water might mean that the ingredients aren't mixed properly, creating an uneven, dense texture. Too much water might result in a texture that's too open and airy. Flour absorption rates vary. Use a high protein content flour and add the miller's recommended amount of water.